Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about simple conditions. Now, let's look at another logic, the complex conditions. That is, you check one condition, and then if it is false, you go and check another condition. If it is false, you check another condition until you reach to a point that you want to print something else. So the syntax for that is almost the same as the syntax for the simple. Just write if, and then the condition, and then your instruction 1, then you write else. If you write another condition, this is used when you want to test multiple conditions. You write another instruction 2, and then maybe you can continue. Also, you can write another if you want to test another condition. But for this case, I just want us to test two conditions just to understand the syntax. You can continue up to condition X, condition N, and then the last part you just write else. Instruction 3. So let me explain this quickly. You're going to check if this condition is true, and then you run this instruction. Does it? But if this condition is false, skip this instruction, come to this next condition and check it if it is true. If it is true, you run this instruction. If it is false, you skip this instruction and then you run the instruction that is in here. The last instruction, I'm sorry, gotta gas. So you run the instruction else. That's just the simple logic of, or the complex or the multi-condition test. So now let's write a simple program to test whether a number is bigger than 0 or less than 0. Let's see, to test whether a number is positive or a number is negative. So we need that. So let's write an integer variable, declare an integer variable x, and then we want the user to give us this value that we want to test, right? So let's see, printf is in b, comma, printf, enter the value. First we demand a value first. Scanf for the value, ampersand x. Now we've already gotten our value. Write our condition. If x is greater than 0, write this instruction. X, percent d is positive. Percent d is positive, right? Okay. Now we want to check also the second condition. Else if x is less than 0. What do we want to do? The percent d is negative. But what if x is 0? So write else what? Print f percent d is an neutral, if I spell it correctly. So if you notice, I've not added the value that the variable that I'm using this placeholder here for. So if I run this program, it will throw an error. So I'm adding it quickly. Is x No, inside the parentheses. X, and then we do the same thing. No, that's it. So what we're doing here basically is that we are checking if x is greater than 0, we'll print x is positive. If x is, or else if x is less than 0, print x negative. But if it is not any of those two, it's not greater than 0, it's not less than 0, it's the exact 0, we'll print x as neutral. So let's run this program and see what happens. So basically we didn't put a semicolon here. If you read the error lines here, you'll notice that there is an error here. We didn't put semicolon. In C, every line must end with a semicolon. Error statement. So let's run it now. Should be good. So enter a value. So first thing first, I'm going to enter 5. So 5 is positive because 5 is greater than 0. Let's run it again. Enter negative 100. See, negative 100 is negative because it's less than 0. Negative 100 is less than 0. So let's run it again and test the final condition. Right, 0. So 0 is neutral because 0 is not less than 0, it's not greater than 0. 0 is equal to 0. So it's neutral. So that's it for multiple conditions. There's another way to do it. So there's another method to test multiple conditions, and let me cover that shortly. It's called switch. It takes this following syntax. Let me take this one out. Switch takes the syntax like so. Expression or condition, and then what it does is it takes cases. Switch take cases. It take a case of a value. For example, case value 1, and then you put semicolon, you run an instruction. After the instruction, you put semicolon, you break. The break means quit out of this entire switch. Just perform this instruction and get out. But if it is not the case, case value 2, and then you run another instruction. So another instruction, and then you break. You continue to do this until you reach to default. Like default is what will happen instruction 4 3 no 3. What will happen if discuss this